kids! Today, we are drawing shapes. Let's draw together. First, we draw the big triangle. The triangle looks like a mountain or a party hat. So nice triangle. Now, we are drawing a cute heart shape. Now, we are drawing a circle. Circle looks like a ball or the sun. Did you know a circle has no corners and rolls everywhere? Now, we are drawing a rectangle. Long sides, short sides, like a door, a book, or a TV screen. Next, we draw a hexagon. 6 equal sides, like a honeycomb or a stop sign with extra sides. Wow, the hexagon looks strong and special. Next, we draw a star. 5 points shining out, like a star in the sky or on a magic wand. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Let's coloring. So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super Sir Star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artists. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings.